guys, Stand Steady here. Today we're going to be showing you two of our most popular desks and the differences between both. We get a lot of questions about which desk is right for you, and there definitely are desks that are better suited depending on your needs. So we're going to talk about two of our most popular lines, starting with the XElite Pro.
So this is the XElite Pro. It's a single level desk converter. Has a hydraulic pump, very nice. A small footprint, so it's super good for small spaces or small desks, and it's very easy to move up and down.
And when it is in that lower position, as you can see, it's definitely a little bit more nondescript, out of your way compared to the FlexPro Air. This one is great because it gives you a second ergonomic level. You can just see when it's raised up. This is where your keyboard and mouse would go, and then this gives you plenty of room for one or two monitors. And this one is great because it makes sure whatever height that you're standing at, you can ensure that your monitors are raised to that perfect ergonomic level.
And it is a little bigger, so it would be better on a bigger desk. So if you're looking for one that fits on a bigger desk, FlexPro Air. Smaller desk, XElite Pro.
This desk is definitely more of a standing commitment if you put this on your desk. So if you're really excited about standing, it has a few extra little details. It has, I don't know if you can see where a little magnet is, it has a nice magnetic backsplash, which is also nice because it's a keyboard stopper, so it won't go flying back here. And it also has built-in cord management here, as well as cord management that can go on the back of the desk, which is really awesome. And the XElite also has a few little fun variations as well, which is really cool.
Yeah, it comes in 4 colors. We have the black right here. We have 2 wood colors, a maple and a cherry, and white. It also comes in a bigger size, the XElite Pro XL, and this also comes in a smaller size.
Yep, so this one is the FlexPro Air 36-inch. This is perfect if you have 2 monitors for your setup, but if you have 1 monitor or a monitor and a laptop, we have a 32-inch model. So both of the FlexPro Airs are going to be just a little bit bigger than the XElite, which is a 28 by 20-inch desktop size. And if either of these desks look like the right fit for you, it is the perfect time to buy. Stand Steady is gearing up for our 7 days of giving, which is the week leading up to Black Friday and Cyber Monday, which is the week of Thanksgiving. So you can get the FlexPro Air in our 32-inch model for 15% off, as well as
the Maple XElite, also 15% off.
Make sure that you're following us on social media and signing up for our email list so you're in the know for when those sales are happening and for any other exciting offers. Happy standing!
Yay!